Audio Jungle.
Video, and today in this video I'm going to show you open the laptop. I'm going to open the HP ProBook 4530S laptop. Its memory, RAM, internal hard disk, everything I'm going to open and show you. So if you are interested, just wait and watch. Let's start the opening of laptop. This is basically an HP ProBook 4530S which we are going to open it. So we need to go step by step and keep care that while opening it does not get damaged, as the laptops are very expensive. So just wait and watch. First we'll remove the keyboard. So we need to put it properly and gently press it. See, after you get removed, just check it. Don't push it very hardly. Here there's a pin, you can see. So gently open it and the tape will come out. So let's keep this aside. The next part we are going to open is, first you need to take out the little switches very gently, and all that wires which are attached, we should remove it gently. Because it should not cause any harm during the opening, otherwise you might get in trouble. So first, step by step, remove everything. So we have removed it. Now let's remove their bolts. So we need to take it different key to open. I've opened each and every bolt over here. So now I think it will not get trouble. So let's move to the next step. The next step is, we have to open the back side part of the laptop. First we need to remove the battery. As we have removed the battery too, so now here you can see there are many bolts over here right now. So I think we need to remove this all. So first let's remove this all. We need to open each and every bolt. Keep care, otherwise you may get into trouble. So now as we have removed all the bolts, now it's time to remove the side parts. And to remove the side parts, we need to take a different key to open it. So first, as you can see over here, we have to remove this part. So now as we have removed this, we'll keep it aside. We have to remove all the sides. So as you can see, I have removed all these parts over here. That rubber part which are coming, removed over here also. After removing, here it contains a bolt, so you need to open it. We are going to open this part. Which are you seeing? See, first we need to open this step. We have to press this key like this, and then we have to gently push it back As you will push back, it will get open like this. Here, as you will open it, you will see the entire thing over here. This is the exhaust fan which helps to cool the laptop. Next part which you are seeing here is the RAM. This is 4 GB RAM and this is 2 GB RAM. Basically it contains two slots. This is also the part of cooling the laptop. This is the Wi-Fi circuit. From here we are able to open the Wi-Fi. The next part which I am going to show, this is the hard disk. And the other thing here, it contains the battery, and this is the entire looking of the laptop. So now let's open it up. So first let's remove this CD drive, and basically when you want to remove it, here there is a bolt and you need to open it. So first let's open. As this bolt gets open, you will be able to remove that CD drive. See, I have opened it properly. Now to open the CD drive, you need to take the other key. As the bolt is open, so now can you see this? To open this CD part, you need to gently push it backside. So the key has gone inside, and you can see that from here it came outside little bit. When it came outside, you gently need to push like this. As you will push it, the entire part will get outside. This is the CD-ROM. So let's keep it over here. So the next part we are going to remove is this hard disk, but first we need to open its bolt. So here are its 4 bolts which we have to remove it. I'm keeping it over here. Here you can see I have removed every bolt of the hard disk. This is the hard disk of the laptop. Here you can see it. Check it out properly. So now I think now we need to open it, and so we need to turn the laptop. We need to open it gently and take care it does not take any harm. Oh shit, we forgot the one part to open it. Here you can see the bolts. We need to open this bolts too. So as you have seen that I've opened every bolt over here also. Now I need to turn this again. Gently open the laptop, and we need to open it from here, this side. So first remove all its components. And let me remove everything. So let's gently remove all these parts. I think I've removed everything. Now let's try to open it from here. We need to gently put this over here and try to remove. So basically we need to remove this part very gently. Keep care it does not break any inside part. First gently we need to remove this, but before removing this I think I should remove the hard disk. So gently push this like this and you can remove this. See, the hard disk has got removed. This is the hard disk of the laptop. I will place it over here. After removing the hard disks, you need to gently open the laptop. I think one more. So this has got removed, but keep care that the inside one, you don't forget to remove it properly. Okay, so I think we have removed this whole part of the upper laptop, so we'll place it aside. But before placing aside, I would like to tell that this part is of the mouse touchpad. This part are the speakers, dual speakers, and their chip is over here where we used to connect it. This part is for fingerprint sensor where we sense the fingerprint. Okay, so let's keep this part aside. Okay, so first we need to remove the bolts over here. After that, we need to remove these chips from here like this. These chips we need to remove it gently so that no harm is taken. Then we need to open this. Gently. See that nothing is broken. So now you can see here that everything I have removed it properly. After doing that, I think this is the motherboard of the laptop. We should gently try to remove it. Take care and see, especially over here, you should put pressure over here like this so that it may not cause any damage to the computer, because this is the only step you can remove it properly. I think after that, okay, so this every part has been got removed over here, and I would like to tell you this is the RAM, this is the exhaust fan, you can remove it from here. This is the cooling, from here the air leaves, and whatever heat is there, it goes over here. Here is the main processor, we can say the brain of the computer. So to keep it cool, we need this pipe type metal, and this is the structure of it. So the entire laptop has been gone to open up in front of you. This is how the laptop gets opened it. So now let's try to fix it. I have showed you. This is how it looks. The entire laptop has got opened up. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Guys, I think you might be helpful watching this video. I think you might have got any ideas how to open it. So don't be afraid of opening your laptops. If you are an engineer and if you are interested in this all things, you can try opening your laptops at home. And thank you for watching it. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you guys.